Ryan and Sam with Launch the Journey. In today's video, we're going to talk about what is your why and why you have decided to start a career in affiliate marketing. Okay, so welcome back. If this is the first time you've ever been to the channel, we'd like to ask you to subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, if you enjoy the content on the video, interact with us down there in the comments, and hit that bell notification so anytime we come out with a new video, you'll be notified and you'll be able to get more content from us. So what is your why? And why have you decided to venture out into online marketing and affiliate marketing? Now, a lot of people fail with affiliate marketing and online marketing, and it's just because they don't have the right reason to push them forward every day. So whenever you wake up in the morning on a daily basis, you have to have reasons to push you to complete tasks. And that's another reason why they actually fail, is because they go day after day and they don't accomplish anything. So like, your autoresponder and your emails and your ads, whether it's Facebook ads, Instagram influencers, or Google AdWords, you got to have traffic with your business, so you have to be sending that traffic over to your opt-ins to build up your email address. So what are these people doing whenever they just continue to learn? Well, here's one of the problems, is they continue to learn and they never step out from the learning process and step into the creation process. So after you start learning, you have to become a creator. Sam and I met on Game of War. We were on the same team, and that was end of 2013, beginning of 2014.
Yeah, it must have been. I think I started playing in 2013.
Yeah.
Christmas 2013.
Yeah.
So it would have been around then that we first met, and then we ended up on the same team and talking and fighting. Oh, you don't need to know all about that anyway, but
I was a beast on Game of War. That's what attracted her to me.
This is not an advertisement for Game of War. Do not play that game.
Because you spend too much money.
Way too much money.
I think I spent about...
We won't. Don't say it. We're not going to tell you.
Yeah.
Like we've got so much money to
in
buy.
a Game of War, if Epic Games wants to reach out to us for a commercial or something,
Yeah, no. Love story, Game
Love
of War.
story, Game of War.
Love story. No.
But our reason why for getting started with affiliate marketing, we actually both have a pretty long history in network marketing and affiliate marketing, but we recently got back started with a new company, and that's the reason why we started a new YouTube channel. Is we have a family of 7, so we have 2 kids apiece, and then Jacob, our new son, he's over here asleep in the swing, but he's now 6 months old. So we have a family of 7, and so we want more time freedom and financial freedom for them. Sam, Reese, and Josh being from England, we want to travel more back and forth from England to America.
But not just that. I mean, we moved over here from the UK to the USA, got over here in June 2018, and although it's typical that people go to work every day, and with us having a new baby, I stay at home, it's not something that's ideal for us. And so what we want to try and do is get Ryan off the full-time job. We want to be able to do what we want to do when we want to do it, and we don't want to be governed by other people telling us, whether he can have his weekend off, whether he can go and play golf with his friends, whether we can, go for a weekend away somewhere, take a week down in Florida, fly back to England, whatever it is that we want to do, we want to be able to do it when we want to do it, and not when, a job dictates we can or we can't. And so the reason we got involved in all of that was for us as a family to be able to spend time together, have our time, freedom, and obviously everybody wants financial freedom, but that's not the biggest why for us. It's so that we can do things when we want. It's a long way to move to come over here, and when you've not got, like, I've left all my support network behind back in the UK, and so I want Ryan to be home. I don't want, you know, him to be at work all the time, and so for us that's our why, is so that we can all, you know, do what we want to do together as a family without any restrictions on that.
Yeah, so to add to that, if your reason why is only money, you got no other reason that's pushing you, that's the reason why we've done this video, is because that's probably the reason why 99% of the people fail. They get started, it's a good idea, they think, and you know, the first week they're very intrigued about it, they want to learn and they want to get started with it, but all it is money. You know, you can't take money with you, you know, that's not what should drive you. Now, money's good and it helps you do things, but you need a driving force behind your reason why, more than money.
Mm-hmm. I think that's why as well, that with our long history in doing network marketing, online marketing, whatever, that we didn't actually have a good reason as to why we wanted to achieve success in this area. With the only reason we have or had at the time was money, because it's a nice idea. It's romantic, isn't it? You know, you're gonna go and do all this marketing with something, and you're gonna go and you're gonna make it big and you're gonna succeed because you're gonna get all this money, and you know, it's just a romantic thought. But somewhere along the way you quit because it's not a big enough force for you. It's not driving you enough, and you know, everybody wants money, and if it was a big enough force or a big enough driving factor, everybody would succeed at it, but it's not. And so you really do need to find out what it is that's driving you, what it is that's powerful for you, and you gotta keep a hold of that.
And that's the first thing every morning you should be refreshing your mind with, as well as that reason.
Yeah, we've talked about that before, like,
yeah,
making sure that you wake up in a positive mindset, and you know, you start the day with your goals at the forefront, you know, of your mind, so that you start the day as you mean to go on. And but I mean, that's following on from the video that we've done before, and it's really important to do that.
Okay, so so main reason for this video was that your reason why isn't driven by just money, that you have a really bigger reason why you want to accomplish online marketing and affiliate marketing for the long term. That way you can accomplish tasks on a daily basis to reach the end goal, whether it's 6 months down the road or a year down the road. You start reaching those long-term goals from completing daily tasks. So we hope you enjoyed the content. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, hit the bell notification, interact with us down there in the comments, like the video, and
Please like the video.
and we'll see you on the next video. Thank you.